Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val, but this is how you do it. I had 2 oranges. I peeled them. These particular oranges don't have any seeds in them. So I'm going to take this and put some water in it. Probably that much water. Probably a cup of water. And I'm going to set it on the blender. That's what I'm doing right now. I was going to cut it off and do it and then just come right back. But I wanted to talk to you about these orange peels. If you save these orange peels, even if they dry out, you can make tea out of the orange peels, like orange peel tea. And it's supposed to be really, really good for you, really healthy. Now, as you can hear, my blender is kicking up really, really, really good right now. What I'm making is orange juice. This orange juice will be concentrated, but it only has a small amount of water in it, and I'm just going to show you how you can make orange juice in a blender. Also, you can also use this part. If you had left this about this big around, you could use this stem in here as a wick. Pour you some cooking oil in there and light it. I wish I would have kept that on there so I can show you, but I was trying to make see that inside there, this right here, that's like a wick. Now I'm gonna go over here and get this juice. It's not through blending yet, but I'm gonna take it off just to show you what it looks like. Look at that. Now, if you don't like pulp, you get your strainer. Get your strainer. Really, really simple. Just like that. Catch your pulp. Now, like I said, this is really, really concentrated. So I could have added some more water in my blender and had a really, really full thing of juice. See how that's just 2 oranges. I'm gonna set this on here for video's sake and show you what this looks like. Oh, water in here. Wait a minute. I was drinking some water. And there you go. Orange juice made in a blender. You didn't have to hurt your hands and squeeze in that little bit of thing. And when you get through, all you got is that much juice. Look how much juice I got. Love, love, love orange juice. You can always add a little sweetener to it, a little sugar or a little honey. That's if you need it. Depends on how sweet your oranges are. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. I talk to all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.